How do you upload videos to Amazon? So our video on the comprehensive guide to brand registry was extremely popular. One of the questions that came out of that in the comments section was, how do I upload videos? So if you need any help with consulting needs, you can go to myamazonguy.com. In this video though, we'll show you exactly how to upload them. So if you go to Seller Central and you put your cursor over inventory, you can see a section for upload and manage videos. Now, if you don't have your brand registry today, you cannot do this. And brand registry is covered in that other video. But if you do, you click that button and it will load this section here. Here you can see all the videos that we have previously uploaded. And basically it's a real basic process. It's almost like uploading a video to YouTube. You grab the video from your computer and upload it. They do prefer MP4 and under 500 MB, so it can't be a gigantic file. You can upload a thumbnail or it will automatically populate one. And then you title the video and you put in the ASIN. So here's an example of one of these already done. So if you play on the video, you'll notice that the video title goes right there and the ASIN is right there. So when you attach these two things together, it will load the video here. So in this video, this is, by the way, a very easy opportunity to shoot a cell phone video to load to your ASINs. You don't need to spend $10,000 building out a video for your Seller Central account. We shot this on just a regular Pixel 3 phone, took some close-ups so you can see that this is a high-quality glass. We explain it, we tell a joke, and we position it in the kitchen. So we've done that as well. Let me see if I can grab another one here. Where we do kind of to show the packaging shot. So yeah, here's an example of this one. So in this video, we spend a solid minute unpackaging, almost like an unpackaging video. And so here we spend a lot of time making sure that these glasses are really packaged well so that they arrive to the consumer undamaged. Got a little natural sound there. Turn that volume up. And we just simply unroll it to demonstrate, hey, this is a safe purchase. So again, you don't need a big production element to do well. Just simply showing these videos on the detail page will improve your conversion rates. The view counts, they do tell you how many view counts you get, and the numbers are sparse. Not a lot of people are clicking on the videos on Amazon. So simply just showing up to say, hey, I've got a video and somebody can observe it, will help, even though most consumers had no intention of spending time in watching that. So thank you for watching the video. If you have a question about how to do something on Amazon, feel free to write it in the comments section and we'll address it. Or if you need any consulting needs, go over to myamazonguy.com and contact us. Thank you.